Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can edit your Wix website, so let's get right into it. Now, what you're going to be doing is starting from your dashboard, so let me just go to the main page of your dashboard to show you where that's going to be. This is where you'll arrive whenever you log into your Wix. You'll arrive at your dashboard where you can set up all of your websites, where you can do whatever you would like. And now if you still have this prompt over here, you can very easily go to design your website and click edit site. But if you don't, you can very easily go hover over site and mobile app. Sorry for showing you this, I misclicked. But yeah, site and mobile app, go to website and SEO, click on website, and then you'll appear at this page. From here, you can very easily go to the top right, click on design site, and that's going to take you to the site designer tool. Once you're here, you can edit it however you want. This is the official Wix editor, and it's going to take a couple of seconds to load, so I do apologize for the wait. But once you're here, you can add whatever you want. You can add different elements, add different sections, add different pages, modify whatever you can see, and whatever you want. And it's very easy, very intuitive to do. As you can see, this is the template that I've used, and as I mentioned, you can very easily go here to the plus, add elements, and you can add whichever element you want. There is a wide range of elements that you can use. You can add sections such as these. You can add the welcome, you can add the about, the gallery, you can add whatever you want. Again, you can go to pages and menu, and you can very easily go to the site menu, sign up and log in, change whatever you want. Here you can add menu items. As you can see, I've made a blank new page and an FAQ for a previous tutorial. And if you want to add a new page, just click on add menu item, click new page, and then you can select the type of page that you like. For example, the 404 page. I'll select this one. This fits best for my website. However, that is for premium users, I guess. Yeah, whatever that has that crown is for premium users. So it looks like all 404 pages are for premiums. And for example, landing pages, there we go. I have some landing pages that I can use. So let's add this one, even though it doesn't fit. But as you can see, it's adding my page. And once that's done, it's going to add it. And it looks something like this. And as I mentioned, you can edit whichever part of the website you like. As you can see, you can edit the text over here. You can edit this section over here. You can get a subscriber form. You can add a new field, modify the form settings, do whatever you want. It's very, very easy. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.